And we couldn't have done it without your help. Your willingness to jump in and build with us while putting Jesus' lessons for us to be humble, obedient, faithful, and caring into action have been the foundation for this project and the key to our success.
You've helped us level up every day, from the foundation to the walls to the framing, roofing, doors, and windows.
We've been busily building up our character and this food pantry all week. We even came in early and got the whole thing painted.
Who's ready to welcome our neighbors and me to our beautifully painted and fully stocked food pantry?
I know I am. I can't wait to see the faces of all the people as they receive food and other items they need for their families.
And we couldn't have done it without you.
There's just one thing left to do. The ribbon cutting.
I'll get the ribbon.
I'll get the scissors.
And we'll gather the construction crew. Everyone must be here for this. Come on, guys.
And I'll come out.
Whoa, look at that.
Take your hand. No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. I just got you.
No.
Yeah?
No. I dare you guys to go draw on that building.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm not too sure about this. It's private property, and we could get in real trouble for running.
It's actually lighting. Oh, those smooth white walls. But like a painter's canvas, they need to paint it. Don't be a wimp.
Chicken. Okay, fine. Hand me a marker.
I'm so confused right now.
What's going on here?
Well, we're
Just painting our new food pantry. This place was supposed to make people happy.
All that hard work and now it's ruined.
What are we gonna do? We can't let all the hungry people down.
Oh my goodness. We painted this whole thing. It was so beautiful. How dare they? What are they thinking?
Everyone, please. Let's all just take a breath.
Can you explain? Is there some reason for this?
Well, it was a dare. But if we had known what this building was to become, we would have never done it. Honest.
Yeah. We promise we won't do anything like this ever again.
Ever, ever, ever.
They do seem sorry.
And they do understand what they did was so wrong.
I believe what they said about never doing it again.
I believe you. What if we help repaint the food pantry and make it good as new?
Okay, I can get behind that as long as you all help.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, of course.
What's wrong, Corinne?
I don't think I can forgive them.
Corinne, why not?
It doesn't matter if this was a food pantry or a movie theater. No one should ever vandalize a building. We spent so much time working on this building. We put so much of ourselves into this project, and you all spat on it. The entire community needed this food pantry so dearly.
Hey, come on, guys. We'll gather the painting supplies. Kids, you come too.
They really are sorry, you know.
How could I forgive them? Why should I forgive them?
Because they are sorry. They even volunteered to help repaint. Everyone deserves a second chance, right? We should all forgive them, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna be that easy. I know a Bible story that might just get you through this.
Yeah, I figured.
Entering Bible story mode.
Isn't that the man who's been preaching everywhere and caused a disturbance at the temple?
I think you're right. They say his name is Jesus and he's a real troublemaker.
That's Jesus. I hear he's done amazing things, like helping the poor, healing the sick. He's even brought the dead back to life.
Well, if all of that is true, then why is he being nailed to a cross?
I don't know.
This is so wrong. He shouldn't be up there. He hasn't done anything wrong.
I don't want a criminal running around. Crucify him.
Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do. Are you not the Son of God? Save yourself and us.
Do you not fear Christ? We are enduring the same sentence of condemnation, but we are suffering justly. What is happening to us we deserve for our deeds, but this man has done nothing wrong. Jesus, forgive me when I come into your kingdom.
Truly I say to you, today you will be with me in paradise.
Game pause. Jesus forgave people all the time. He even forgave the 2 criminals who were nailed beside him.
Wow.
He even forgave all those people who put him to death. Game resume.
Father, into your hands I entrust my spirit.
Oh.
Truly, this man was no regular man, and surely he was the Son of God. Forgive me, Lord.
Forgive me, Lord, for wanting his crucifixion.
I was so angry about having to help him carry his cross. Please forgive me, Lord.
I'm sorry for being mean to my brother this morning. Forgive me, Lord.
I'm sorry for being rude to my teacher yesterday. Forgive me, Lord.
I'm so sorry, but being for days last weekend. Forgive me, Lord.
Lord, please forgive me for taking my little sister's cell phone.
And I'm sorry for not wanting to forgive those kids. Please, forgive me, Lord, and them.
Concluding Bible story mode.
Thank you for sharing that. I was so caught up in the selfishness and thoughtlessness of what they'd done. My anger was in control, but that Bible story reminded me that Jesus, he wasn't led by anger. Jesus was led by love, love for each and every one of us. No matter what we've done or what we will do, Jesus always calls us to forgive. And if God can forgive each and every one of my offenses, and everyone else's, then I can certainly forgive those kids.
I'm glad you like the story. I want everyone to close their eyes. Come on. I'm serious. Close your eyes.
See you.
I see you. Come on. Come on, kindergarten. I know that you can do better than that. All right. Come on, everyone. Close your eyes. Okay. I want you to think of someone who you can forgive today. Now, ask God to forgive them. Now, think of something that you want to be forgiven for. Now, pray that God will forgive you too. On the count of 3, I want everyone to open their eyes and say, "Forgive me, Lord." 1, 2, 3. Forgive me, Lord.
I didn't even close my eyes.
Everyone deserves a second chance, and a third chance, and so on. So you know what? The fresh coat of paint on that building will be like the fresh start we're giving those kids.
Is everyone ready for one last chant recapping all the lessons we've learned in construction drawings?
Jesus taught us
Jesus taught us
to be humble.
To be humble.
Why keep on jumping? What?
Jesus taught us
Jesus taught us
be obedient.
Jesus taught us to be faithful.
Jesus taught us to be caring.
And Jesus taught us to be forgiving.
We'll welcome you all back here later, once we've finished repainting and the paint has a chance to dry. Then we'll have the ribbon cutting ceremony, and we can declare this food pantry officially open.
Level 5. Progress saved. Lesson bonus coin achieved. Minigames downloaded. Gamers wait instruction.